Why bother with a strawberry spinach salad at a restaurant when you can make your own at home in just 10 minutes? It's packed with juicy strawberries, crisp spinach, creamy goat cheese, crunchy almonds, and dare I say it, the best poppy seed dressing. Hi everyone, it's Maya from WholesomeYum.com, and I make easy, healthy recipes with 10 ingredients or less. So today I'm showing you how to make the easiest strawberry spinach salad ever. And the sweet, creamy dressing needs just 5 ingredients with no refined sugar. You're going to make this dish over and over. Let's do this. We'll start with the poppy seed dressing. The base of this dressing is mayonnaise. You'll need half a cup, and you can use my homemade mayo recipe. I'll link that down below for you, or you can use store-bought, totally up to you. Greek yogurt also works as a substitute, but the dressing will be a little different, a little more tangy if you opt for yogurt. Next is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use avocado oil here if you like. We're going to sweeten the dressing with 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm using Wholesome Yum zero sugar honey here. You can use regular if you like, if it fits your lifestyle, but I really like this stuff because it's sweet and gooey, just like regular honey, but it doesn't have that sugar spike. Go ahead and add that in. And one more. I just love this stuff. For a little tang and to balance the flavors, add a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use lemon juice here or apple cider vinegar. Both will work great. And a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Can't have poppy seed dressing without these. And I need about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt for the mayo I use, but this can vary depending on how salty your mayo is, so just adjust this to taste as needed. And just whisk that all together until smooth. Time for the star of our salad, the strawberries. You'll need 3 cups of the berries. You can hull them if you like, but I usually just cut off the ends because it's faster. And just go ahead and slice those thinly. Now it's just a few minutes to assemble the salad. You'll need 4 cups of spinach. You can leave the leaves whole like this, or you can chop them up for easier eating if you'd like. I'm using a platter here because I like the presentation, but you could also just use a large bowl too. Go ahead and add the strawberries. My strawberry spinach salad has a lot of strawberries. If you like, you can do a little more spinach and a little less strawberries. Sprinkle on half a cup of crumbled goat cheese. You can omit this if you need to be dairy-free for some reason, but I think this is absolutely delicious here. You can also add some sliced red onions. Those are also really common on strawberry spinach salads, but I kept it simple with fewer ingredients, so I don't have red onion on this one. You can also substitute feta cheese instead of goat cheese if you like. And 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. You can also use slivered almonds or pecans, really any nuts would work, or sunflower seeds if you need to be nut-free would work as well. I love the crunch that this adds. And finally, the poppy seed dressing. This makes the perfect summer lunch. The sweet, creamy dressing complements the other flavors so well. The crispy spinach, the juicy strawberries, the creamy goat cheese, and the crunchy almonds. This is probably my favorite salad ever. You can even add some air fryer chicken breast if you want to add a little protein to make this an entire meal. Time for a taste test. A few more garnishes and a little more dressing. So good. Sweet, fresh, this screams summer. And if you like quick and easy summer salad recipes, don't miss my 20-minute taco salad.